Good morning. Hello again. Back in the dark. This time it's New Year's Eve, so we need some light in the matter. Let's get some in here. There we go. It's not light outside yet. Maybe I can get my street a little, and it's very quiet. It'll get louder, but now it's quiet. And so we talked about light last week and why it's important in our lives. And I think on New Year's Eve, we think about the light we experienced, or the dark, and the dark from the last year. Sometimes we go over the year, what happened, this and that, what we may want to change, what we may be happy for that we have changed. This has nothing to do with your profession or your successes. It's a very personal time of year. It's a very personal time to think what's important. And for this reason, New Year's is full of hope, but also full of fears, and we're not sure where the world is going to. But that's kind of a big subject. Ich will nicht über die ganze Veränderung in der Welt und wo alles hingeht. What I would like to work on more is just getting up in the morning and doing my best and seeing what happens. That's kind of the way an artist lives, and it's a good way. I can recommend it even if you have a 9-to-5 job. It depends on how you relate to it. So you can see outside, there's a few cars. I'm holding this at the same place. You may not be able to exactly see what you see. That's kind of like the way it is on New Year's. So I'm going to say goodbye to the year and go back in the dark and then move over to another place to go. So the new year means you open a new door. So that's what I'm going to do. And the door's open. And I wish you a happy new year, and go through the door and just start a new day. That's enough. Okay, Candace Carter signing off.